So this video is going to be a little bit of a mix of things. I've actually just moved back to my parents after being at uni, so moving home for good for a few years now. So I'm kind of thought I'd take you along for the journey of me trying to fit a flat's worth of stuff that I've accumulated over 3 years into my tiny bedroom at home. So I've just been to the post office and posted some parcels because I've been selling a lot of my old toys on eBay. I will pop the link in the description if anyone's interested. I'm saying like this pet shop, pulling in my pocket and stuff like that, just so it frees up space in the loft for me to then put stuff I use now or don't use now but want to keep, so that I can get it out of my bedroom. Done that, and now I'm just going to head to the range because I used some of my mum's boxes to put some stuff in the other day, so I need to replace them for her, and also want to get a couple more for under my bed, so I'm going to go do that, and then I'm going to go meet my mum after work and do some more this evening. Oh god, that's really bad angle there, sorry. But yeah, I've just literally just got to the range now. Well, I need to get my mum a couple of boxes, and then I think I'm going to get myself maybe 3, just so I have enough, and we can always return some. But yeah, and then I need to rush home and go meet my mum, so it's going to be a speedy range trip. But it's really weird like going to shops like this and like not buying homeware, because I've been doing that for like 3 years, and that's why I have so much stuff. So yeah, quite a lot later now. I've had my dinner, but my room is a mess, but as always it has to get worse before it gets better. I'm just currently adjusting some shelves in my wardrobe, but I didn't realise they're like this, and then there's a screw in them, and they're so awkward to get out, because I want to try and make some more space in here for some of the jewellery drawers. So I've got, this is going to be full of DVDs, and then I've got my Disney ears, and then down the bottom is all my Harry Potter books and Harry Potter memorabilia and stuff like that, and also photo albums. And then I'll turn you around. These 2 boxes with like old laptops that like I used to use for Sims. I need to put the Sims games in that box, and like old cameras and stuff. And then this one has books in that I don't want to put in the loft, but I will want to keep. No, that I don't want to get rid of, but I want to keep. And I need to find somewhere for these ones on top. The stuff under here is going to go in another set of Alex drawers when I buy one, and all this is a mess. And basically I want my bags on some shelves either side, and then in the middle have the jewellery ones. I haven't really done a lot in my room because I've just been sorting miscellaneous stuff and nothing was really that interesting. I sorted all the stuff in the garage, but my garage is so full of stuff, like there would honestly be nowhere for me to put the camera. So yeah, but I'm just going to show you what I got on Ikea. My parents also got some stuff, but it came to £240, but then I got my discount, which was amazing, so it came to 196, so that's really good. So it's a rather long receipt, but I'm going to try and tell you how much everything was. I think I know how much some of it was anyway. So the first thing I got, these are called Nodjig. I got quite a few of them. These little ones here, these ones are 50p, and they're like this sort of size. I thought they'd be really good for storing blushes and bronzers and stuff like that. And also in my parents' bathroom cabinet, they've recently got the bathroom redone, and the flooring is like tiles, so if anything drops in it glass, it's going to break the tile and the product. So to stop my products falling off the shelves, because I have too many in there, I got these little organisers to put on the shelves so everything's nice and in its space. But yeah, these were 50p each, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know if that's enough, but for now it'll do, and I can get some more. I lied, 9. And then I got these ones which were 50p, no 75p, sorry, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is to go in my drawer inserts. Again, these are a little bigger for jewellery and stuff, because I got 3 compliment pull-out drawers. I'll insert pictures and all the links will be below, which I'm going to build in a second, so you can watch me build those. And these are to go alongside some other storage for it. And then I got a couple of cushion covers, and these cushion covers were £4, and as you can see my walls are like green and stuff in my room, and I just don't like my current cushions. I've got on my cushions in my bedroom, so I'm going to change this. I'm also going to change my bedding. But they look like this, and they're just like got different flowers on. I thought it would go nice with the wallpaper and also in my room, and then also I can have like pink stuff in my room and pull out the pink from the cushions. So I've got 2 of these to go on my bed, and these were £4 each, which is really good. And I'm going to wash my other covers and give them to charity. because I don't need them anymore. And then I also got another set of Alex drawers, which again I'll insert a picture of here, to go on my desk, but I'll build those later. And then I got two of these. These were quite expensive, I'm not gonna lie. The Alex drawers were £70 and the pull-out drawers for my wardrobe were £15 each. Okay, these were £15 each, so honestly not the cheapest. But they're like felt on the inside. And this one has a jewellery section here and then like a miscellaneous section. Like, you know what I mean, like my jewellery, like where you can put rings and earrings and stuff. So I thought that was a really good idea to store stuff in, and basically my plan for the drawer is to have this on one half and these on the other half, because the other ones that they had were just like plain this, and I don't think I'll need that. I think this is more practical for me to store like belts and sunglasses and things like that. So I've got this, and I got two of these, but yeah, these were £15 each. And then this last one was £20. And this will fill the whole drawer, and it's just like that all over. It's got a big bit at the bottom and then some smaller bits here. I thought these are quite expensive, but I wanted to invest some money into storage in my room, so, and obviously I do get discount because I work there, so yeah. And then the last thing I got wasn't from Ikea, but I actually start a new job in a couple of weeks, which is very exciting, from when I'm filming this. I got this, so I wanted a notepad to like write down everything I need to remember and stuff on the first few weeks. I wanted a nice fresh notepad, so I got this from Paper Chase. It was £12. It's got daisies on it, very me, and it's got a big notepad section, which is like a sticky notepad, a post-it thing, like almost like a little to-do list, and then some pastel mini sticky notes and a pen. So I just thought that was perfect. It means you don't have to have like all this on your desk, you can just have it all in one. It has a little tie, it's like decent size. But yeah, I'm now gonna build my furniture, so yeah, enjoy that time lapse. So I have actually just finished building the pull-out drawers for my wardrobe. I bought 3 and they're actually a perfect fit, which is great. So I'll show you them now. So I did it so there's a little extra bit of space there just because on the top handle of my bags, didn't want that getting caught. So this is what they look like. I mean, pretty good. Not the prettiest, but it is what it is. Anyway. So this pulls out. You can get thinner ones of these to go next to it, but I honestly didn't think I would need it because this sort of material, like, I don't know, I didn't know what else I put on it. So I've actually used the nodging, and then there's a little gap here, but I can put like box jewellery and stuff there, so that will work really well. So I've got 2 of those along the side, then this jewellery one, and they're soft clothes, which is really nice, and then another one just underneath of the exact same thing with 2 of the nodgigs. These, as I said, these were 75p, these were £15, and yeah, I just don't think I needed another one of these when these were literally so much cheaper. Like the strip there would have been an extra £10, so just saving money there. And then this one is like a big one, which I thought I can have like my belts and stuff. But yeah, so that's that. They're fairly easy to install. They're literally just 2 screws on each side of this, and then you slot it in and lock it in place with screws underneath. But yeah, I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. I've actually just organised all my stuff into my pull-out drawers in my wardrobe. I'm really happy with it. And I also just popped some of my stuff in the bathroom in the little nodgig containers. So I'll show you that now. This is what they look like full. So in the top one, I'm going to do a proper new room tour, but just quickly like have my jewellery and earrings, bracelets, box jewellery and hair stuff. And then in this one I just have more jewellery, hair stuff and some earrings at the front, and then scrunchies, sunglasses cases and some little hair claw clips, and then more scrunchies. As you can see, they're soft closing. And then in this one, sunglasses. I really want them to stand up like this, but sunglasses, belts, and these little like tiaras and my watches, and also got a little bit more space there. But yeah, definitely room to grow. But I think that looks really cute. Hey, in the bathroom, I've literally just popped like my makeup remover thingies in here, so it's nice and safe. Lots of my little minis or serums, moisturisers in there because they kept falling off the cabinet. My skincare, and then some more like hair stuff and like my gua sha thingy in there, and yeah, just I've popped a few in there just to keep it a little bit more organised. So apparently after all my furniture building yesterday, I hadn't had enough. So I had work this morning 7 till 3:30, got home and measured up my wall. Again, because I lost the post-it note my dad wrote on. And I found a bookcase from Argos, I'll link it below. Obviously I don't know if it's good yet, I haven't built it. I've just come to Sainsbury's to pick it up at my local Sainsbury's. And in like the Argos section, obviously, it was £28. It's a 2-shelf bookcase, also I have 3 levels, and I'm hoping to also use the top part. It should fit under my shelf, fingers crossed. There was one that was deeper, which would have been better, but it was so high it would have touched my shelf, and I wanted that extra shelf space. And I can just put my less deep sets on it, which is good. But yeah, so I will build that tonight, maybe. I need to wash my hair as well because it's getting a bit. But we're gonna go home because Mum was making a roast. So yeah, so if I build it tonight, I'll obviously vlog it, but if not, I will show you it tomorrow. I also need to edit some vlogs tonight because I feel like I've been like creating content, but I haven't been editing it. I just find editing takes me quite a long time because obviously I'm still kind of new to that sort of thing. So if you have any tips for editing, please let me know. Yeah, I need to get my boyfriend to show me how to use Premiere Pro because I'm currently using iMovie, and I know that's gonna hurt people, but I'm sorry, I know how to use it and it works for me. But yeah. So this video has been a bit of a mess, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of just picked my phone / camera up whenever I felt like it, and I didn't film loads, but I filmed a lot of me building furniture and stuff. The thing I was just building was actually the bookcase. I can show you it quickly in a second. But I thought I'd just close this video off here because I actually go away on a holiday tomorrow, and I'm gonna film a separate room tour of everything if that's something you'd like to see, so let me know. However, I don't know when that will be up because I said I'm going away, so I was going to try and get a couple of videos uploaded, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. But yeah, so if that is something you want, let me know. It'll be a quick little room tour, but I hope you enjoyed building some furniture with me, and yeah, I'll give you a little sneak peek of that's the little unit I was building. But yeah, so thank you for watching. If you made it this far in this video, thank you very much. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want a room tour, and I will see you next time. Bye.